What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today we have our Sub 250 box from FPVCRATE. If you don't already know what these are a micro or a 3-inch and smaller size quadcopter box that you get various parts every month. This is actually the 6th month of this, so this is actually the last one, and I believe we should have enough to go ahead and be able to do a build on the channel featuring this quad. So let's go ahead and unbox this month's box and see exactly what we got. I have my assumptions what it is. Okay, so it looks like we got, let's see, some stickers here. These are cool stickers. I like them. Hope it's an FPV drone. Drone alone. It's cool. And then we got some 76mm clear gray ducted props gym fan. 3 sets of those. And then we got a 10% off a QAV sale. Cool. And then we got ourselves a QAV-S Mini. Sweet. So like I said, we do have enough to go ahead and build a 3-inch on the channel, which I'll be doing in a future video. But just want to give you guys a rundown of what we got throughout the month. So this is December's 2020. Looks like the first one we got back in maybe June or July was the F7 Mini HD version. Then we got a cinematic 30-amp ESC. We got these Xylo motors. I believe they are, I forget what size these are. They're kind of big, but they are 1408 3600 kV motors. So we got those in one of the boxes. Then we also got this TBS Unify Pro 32 Nano. And then also we got this Cadex Baby Ratel 2. So these are all for like a big build that we're going to probably do on the channel and see how it flies, because I think we've had this now for 6 months. Now this one, also this came in my box if you are curious. Got this little apology letter from FPVCRATE saying I guess the Baby Ratel 2's camera was didn't have the IR filter. So they went ahead and sent us another camera and send us the case, so then we can go ahead and get that other camera working if we have any problems. So that's really awesome customer service. We didn't even have to ask for it. They just did it. But yeah, so that's pretty much this month's box. I'm going to go ahead and build this thing real quick so we can take a really quick first look at it. Alright, so we got it all assembled, as you can see here. And I did notice some things here. We do have some room back here where we can go ahead and fit a Cadex Vista back here. So I'll really be interested to know if you guys would be interested in me building this with an analog system with the Baby Ratel 2, or just go ahead and putting a Cadex Vista on it. Yeah, and so then we're going to be going ahead and doing the builds soon, hopefully, on the channel. I did go ahead and weigh this on my scale, and it does weigh 58 grams. I did find that this front kind of went together a little weird. Hopefully I put that together right, so let me know in the comment section down below as well if that is correct or not. I just had double plate here in the front. I think that's for, you know, extra strength to go ahead and hit something so it doesn't like just crushed in front end. But if you're interested in picking up these FPVCRATE, these Sub 250 boxes, I'll be leaving a description link down below. I believe you can purchase these links separately, the kits separately too if they're listed on there, but it is an affiliate link and it does help support the channel and help support me, so I do appreciate if you would use those links if you are going to be picking something up. But this is Viper FPV, and I'll see you guys in a future video, and hopefully we'll get this thing built and we'll see how it flies.